so. He'll never know. All my life is just despair, but I don't care when he takes me in his arms. The world is bright, all right. What's the difference if I say I'll go away when I know I'll come back on my knees someday? For whatever my man is, I am his forevermore. It cost me a lot, but there's one thing that I've got. It's my man. Cold and wet, tired, you bet, but all that I soon forget with my man. He's not much for looks and no hero out of books. He's my man. 2 or 3 girls has he that he likes as well as me, but I love him. Oh, my man, I love him so. He'll never know all my life is just despair, but I don't care when he takes me in